PharmaFlash, a quick look at this week's most read news stories.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of the PharmaFlash. The PharmaFlash is a weekly rundown of the top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. I'm Mike Auerbach. I'm the editor-in-chief of both publications, and I will be reading the top 5 most read news articles. And in at number 5, the FDA issued final guidance regarding nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, drug products. The guidance aims to provide clarity and recommendations for manufacturers seeking approval for OTC NRT products. It addresses various aspects, including study design, labeling requirements, and considerations for specific populations like pregnant and breastfeeding individuals. The FDA intends for this guidance to facilitate the development of safe and effective NRT options, helping individuals quit smoking and reduce nicotine dependence. In at number 4, Charles River Labs, a provider of research services, has partnered with Wheeler Bio, a biotech company, to establish and operate the RightSource Laboratory. This facility will specialize in supporting preclinical research and drug discovery programs. The collaboration aims to provide clients with comprehensive, high-quality lab services to accelerate their research and developmental efforts. The RightSource Lab will leverage the expertise and resources of both companies to offer innovative solutions and contribute to advancements in the pharma and biotech sectors. Number 3, Sterling, a contract development and manufacturing organization, is set to join a cross-disciplinary partnership aimed at advancing artificial intelligence flow chemistry techniques. The collaboration includes academic institutions and tech companies focused on leveraging AI to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of flow chemistry processes. By combining expertise from different fields, the partnership aims to accelerate the development and implementation of AI-driven solutions in chemical manufacturing. Astellas announced its acquisition of Iveric Bio, a biotech company specializing in ophthalmic diseases. The deal involves Astellas paying approximately $1.3 billion to acquire Iveric Bio, gaining access to their innovative gene therapy and gene editing platforms. This strategic move will expand Astellas' capabilities in the field of gene therapies for retinal diseases. The acquisition is expected to enhance Astellas' pipeline and advance the development of potential treatments for patients with vision-threatening conditions. And finally, our top most read story, Acorn issued a recall for several of its human and animal drug products. The recall a result of the company's shutdown, which has led to concern about the quality and safety of their medications. The recall affects various products, including injectables, ophthalmics, and oral liquids. Customers are advised to discontinue use and return the affected products to avoid potential health risks. So that's it, our top 5 most read stories on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing website. Please visit both websites to keep up to date with the latest news, trends, and stories about your industry. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
For the latest news, articles, and multimedia on the global pharmaceutical industry, visit American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing and sign up for our e-newsletters.